go to the dispatch box if it's not working.
Oh, yeah, Mr. Speaker, you know, everything that we say on this floor goes on record. And Senator Cherargei knows that under our standing orders, you should not make statements that are misleading. He has just stated on this floor that to fly to West Africa, you first go to France, then come back to West Africa. Yet, Mr. Speaker, Kenya Airways flies direct to several West African countries, including Nigeria, direct to Nigeria. It goes to Cameroon, it goes to Bamako in Mali. So is it in order, Mr. Speaker, to make a misleading statement on the floor that the skies in Africa have not been opened to our Kenya Airways?
Senator Cherargei, which country were you referring to?
His mine is in Nyamira. Mr. Speaker, what I said is some flights. I didn't say Kenya Airways. It needs to, you can check the answer. I say some flights. I did not say Kenya Airways specifically. I just came into Kenya Airways by saying we must revive Kenya Airways, we must revitalize Kenya Airways to turn around profitability. Because the way Kenya Airways is being run is being run down, Mr. Speaker. And the Kenya Kwanza Manifesto, one of our key components was aviation turnaround in terms of increasing cargo to ensure we give more revenue to Kenya Airways. And we have had a discussion about Kenya Airways. We must agree that even as we ensure there is open skies and aviation sector in Africa, we must make it vibrant so that is movement of people and services, Mr. Speaker. And I can see the senior counsel is nodding in agreement that Kenya Airways must be reformed, Mr. Speaker. Mr. Speaker, on the issue of military cooperation, I agree we need to work more better. We have seen even, and I'm happy President William Ruto has requested African Union to include Haiti as one of the member of African Union, Mr. Speaker. And we are proud as Kenya. We have read the mission in Haiti, Mr. Speaker, despite opposition from even within the country and outside the country. And therefore, as Kenya, we have a lot to showcase the world in terms of issues that we... So military cooperation,